Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. I have, excuse me, let's see. This would be my fourth Portland Leather Goods video. I've just opened the box. I have not reviewed anything yet. This is an order that I put through myself. And as opposed to like a mystery box here. Just gonna grab a scissors here, sorry about that, and kind of show you everything I got here. Let's see, we can start here with, I would call this a bag. You might be able to call it an SLG as well, but I'm gonna go with a bag. I am just so in love with these items that I want kind of like one of everything, and I also want to do, to get one of everything and every color, which, yeah. Not so likely to happen every color, but I'm going to have fun trying. Let's get a little thank you in here. And then here we have, oh, she is pretty. This is a toaster bag, and this is in lavender.
It's a tour 4-slice.
I'm going to go with the 2 slices on that one. This is really nice. Let's see, how does this strap go? I'm a little confused on the strap here. There we go. It was just stuck. Looks like this can easily go crossbody. Has an adjustable strap. Smells so good. And it's really smooth leather, the lavender is. So, yeah, this is actually called lavender. And the toaster bag has a slip pocket in front here. And then it opens up. I'm gonna take the stuffing out. And it has another pocket right inside here. And then otherwise it's a big open container with like the suede interior on it. Basically the back side of the leather. The zipper pull has a little tassel on it. And the zipper pulls on these are so nice. They're just nice and smooth as I hold it. Funny. But yeah, so this is kind of a little bit of a firmer leather, but it more squishy probably than anything. So that's my first part of my order. All right, and let's do a small item here. Well, you can kind of tell what this is just actually by looking at it. And this is in the color of cranberry. I don't have anything in this color as of yet. And this is like their little taco tote. I don't think it's called that, but I'm gonna call it that. And this is just a nice little tote. You this soft again, this is more of a smooth grain leather. There's a little bit of texture to it. Comes with a little tassel on the zipper pull, and otherwise it's just a nice big old the zippers are so good. It's just a little kind of catch-all. I believe it's supposed to be like a makeup pouch, but I figured I'll use it for whatever I feel like using it for, and I just like getting the cranberry color. All right, let's see. Let's go with this here. And I apologize. I was thinking I was opening this one first. The other item was a bag. This one you could call an SLG or a bag. I guess it depends on who you ask. And again, I got something else I did not have as of yet. And in a color I didn't have as of yet. This, another thank you in here. I think they have most of their items for online orders already packaged. So they probably just pull and put them in the boxes to fulfill their orders. Because everything has the names on it on the sides. But I got, oh, this is neat. Okay, this is in the color Tulip. And this is, again, another smoother leather. And it's actually their version of a belt bag. So it's just got a nice open compartment in there. And then it's just got this nice long strap. I thought I would wear it more, you know, crossbody. I'm not going to wear it as a belt bag. But I just thought it was really cute. It gave me the chance to get something in leather, and having a few trips coming up, and I think this will be really, really helpful when I don't necessarily want to carry a bag and I want to be hands-free. I thought this would be a nice little addition to my ever-growing collection, and gives me something in the color tulip. So there we have that. Then back to what is for sure a little SLG. And I really like the little daisy wallets that they had, or daisy, I guess you call them card holders. They're a little bit smaller than this. I like using them for coins, but they do actually fit cards in them. But I believe this is like a more official card holder. And this is in the color Grizzly. It's a really dark brown. And it's got a slip pocket here and another pocket here. So there's 2 card holder parts to this one. Oh, the inside's so good and they smell so good. So this is my first card holder that I got. She's beautiful. All right, and then here, I got another one, and this is in the color Cognac. I wanted to get a couple of dark SLGs to go with my lava shopper tote I got, and I thought this would just be perfect. So this is just another one of those little card holders, and it has the big spot, smaller spot, and then it just snaps closed here, just like that. It's beautiful. Alright, and then last but not least, open this up here. Alright. Again, true unboxing. I had a few people say they liked to see the full unboxings, to see how things are packaged. So I am showing you. I didn't have anything like this. And so it comes packaged like this. Now this one, I got this that says open me. And it just is a nice little thank you card in it. And I had not had any of these bags either. So this time, I got, this bag is actually called the Lola. And this one has a small handle. This is in the Cognac color. Just kind of like the reddish brown a lot. So it has handles here, not big enough for a shoulder strap, just like a handbag. And then an adjustable, removable strap. And then the inside, got a lot of packaging here. Okay. The inside is just a wide open tote. There, let's see. Oh, there actually is a small pocket in here. It's smaller than like the market tote pocket, but there is a pocket. And instead of zipping or being open, this actually has a clasp to it. So there are no feet. I don't think there's feet on any of their bags. Again, another really smooth leather here. And this talks about your bag. And so yeah, this is the Lola tote. So she's really cute. So there we go. So that is my third order. And then I have some mystery boxes to unbox. One I believe will have already went up, and then another one will be after this one. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really like having you here, and I enjoy when you leave comments. I love interacting with everybody in the comments and getting to know people a little better. Let's see, find me on Instagram at Jame_S_Jam, James Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.